seriously bent. One side. That's what it should look like. That's what it do look like. Hey there, it's Steve at the Auto Station. We got a great example here of what potholes are all about in the spring. It's a great thing to be looking at. Maybe give everyone a bit of an understanding of what we're dealing with here on a day in, day out basis. This is a Jeep. You see the big little Jeep side here? Certainly implies a certain toughness, off-road capability. You think if anything could walk across potholes, it'd be this machine right here. But that's not always the case. Sometimes when you're at highway speed and you're moving quite quickly, that jamming, that jar that you get when you go down into a pothole, catch the back part of a wheel, those forces that are translated are just unbelievably beyond the design characteristics of these Jeeps. Driving slow, big rocks, moving off-road stuff, that's one thing. But hitting these things at speed, it's a whole different problem. So in this case, what we're looking at, this is an axle shaft. So this is, you see a spline down here that fits out in the middle of the vehicle where the differential is. You get this heavy bar. It looks like it's almost like a 2-inch diameter bar that's been sort of drawn down in shape with a big flange that's been upset and heat treat process, where heat process then into a forge, build this flange, and this is what the wheels bolt on the outside of the car. If you think if anything's going to bend in the car, it's not going to be this. This is a massive structure. I mean, this thing here probably weighs, I don't know, I'm going to say this thing here weighs probably 50, 60 pounds. Anyways, very unlikely that this would be bent, but in this case it is. So we're taking a look at it. I got some video here that will show a wheel. And you can see how the wheel was moving both laterally and it was also moving in a sort of vertical plane, and it was taking everything with it. It's moving the brake caliper, the brake system, everything's going with it. Customers hearing this unbelievable noise, can't figure out why the car's not driving in a straight line. We get in here, we can't believe that this is what's happening. So in this case here, the bearing on this car has been hit pretty good. It's been beat up and shifted. But really what's happened is this axle shaft here is actually deflected. The impact was enough to bend this steel bar to this permanent offset, which is allowing this whole displacement. So what we've done is we've got this out, demonstrated everyone here. This is the axle housing. You can see the differential, the axle tube housing. That shaft fits through this hole. Bearing sits here. So the engine driving through the drive line, through the differentials, driving forces to the rear wheels, driving it forward. When it's bent, it doesn't work. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna show you what it looks like before and after. Give you every good idea of what potholes can do to your car. You're feeling a vibration, you're feeling something odd, you kind of remember hitting something along the way on the highway, dark at night, whatever it was. Don't leave it. Come on and see somebody. Steve at the Auto Station. Okay, here we are. New axle. Just as steady as it gets. Woo!
Ready? Oh, you want to move it?
That's what it was. Pothole, bent axle shaft. Wow.